Martin Luther King Day, and welcome to Veganuary Day 21. We're just screwing around in the kitchen today working on a new recipe. Sometimes you just want to try stuff out and you don't want to like follow a recipe or whatever. You just want to feel your way, you know, like grease.
Of course.
Alright, so I want to make something with jackfruit today because I really like the texture of jackfruit. I like the idea of jackfruit. It's sustainable. It's, I guess, healthy for you.
So what are we making?
We're making some buffalo chicken nuggets.
Nice.
Alright, I was going to do a buffalo chicken seitan jackfruit thing, but that's like just too much.
I'm not huge on seitan.
Keep it simple, stupid. So we're just going to do jackfruit. So, basically, jackfruit tastes like garbage. It tastes like cardboard. It tastes like nothing. Because I was like, ooh, look at that. There's a little piece here. Let me try it. It tastes like nothing. Honestly, nothing.
You gotta make it good.
So I've got a little of this vegeta here. This is kind of like a chicken-y bouillon thing.
Seasoning?
Yeah. I'm just going to sprinkle some on the plate. Again, I'm just going by my instincts here. I'm just trying to, you know, get a little bit of this flavor onto here so that it's not going to taste like cardboard.
This is the Veganist Fork Test Kitchen.
That's right. So you could just put the flavoring in the crust or the outside, but this is, I think, I'm hoping, anyway, going to suck it in to the
actual jackfruit
when we pre-air fry it. So what I'm hoping is, because this is kind of wet, I'm hoping to do this first batch in the air fryer and have it dry out a little bit and that flavor gets sucked into the jackfruit a little bit since the water is evaporating. And then once that comes out of the air fryer, I'm hoping that it will be a little bit flavored, and we'll put the coating on the outside with some crunchy breadcrumbs, and it may be convincing, it may not. This may be a fail. This may be the next best thing.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out, and you're gonna find out with us. Here, you wanna try?
I guess just so I have a base.
That's a
idea.
seed, so.
Give me something real. Is this what I'm eating?
Yeah, you can eat that.
Okay.
It all tastes the same. It tastes like nothing, right?
Pretty much nothing. There's like a little bit of flavor.
Very little.
But it's mostly nothing.
So we're gonna be making love out of nothing at all.
Whoa! Was that air supply?
Yeah. So we're almost done. We're gonna put this on just like 370, which is like the preset standard.
For how long?
I think it's 15 minutes. And we got 2 more pieces here. To the air fryer. And
go.
15 minutes. All right, here they are out of the air fryer. They're looking a little shriveled.
A little bit.
Okay, I guess. So I'm not going to do anything specific here. We're just going to mix up a little bit of flour and some non-dairy milk. I hope I didn't just like put way too much milk in it.
We're gonna find out. That's the phrase of today. We're gonna find out.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's gonna be spicy.
Yeah, a little bit. We're gonna use some of this red hot seasoning blend. I'm thinking I might have used a little bit much, but guess I'll just add a little more flour, right?
Make it work. Tim
Right,
Gunn.
Tim Gunn. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we're going to let that sit. It should thicken up a little bit as we let it sit. We're going to put our panko in here because panko seems like the only one that doesn't have freaking Parmesan cheese in it.
Oh yeah, you gotta look out for that.
So we're just going to do the old dip,
Make sure it's covered.
place.
Okay.
So we're going to get all these done, and then we're going to put them back in the air fryer. Ready for another round in the air fryer. I was almost tempted to do what my dad did one time when my mom told him that the chicken cutlets weren't thin enough. So he just did breading and fried the breading and gave it to her, and he asked her, "Is this thin enough?" And she said, "Yes, it's delicious. You did a great job." And he said, "There's no chicken in there." That was World War III, but that's for another day. We're just gonna do another round of 15. All right, here we go.
You like my blanket dress?
I love it, because it's freaking freezing in here.
It's so cold.
It is really cold today.
So I'm gonna try one of these bad
I don't know
boys.
if these are any good or not. They look great, but they could taste like a turd.
Let's see. They do look really good.
Yeah.
They smell good.
They got some crunch.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Really?
Okay, so
What's happening?
I'm gonna take you through it. The outside, like the breadcrumbs, not a ton of flavor there.
Right.
But then when you get to the inside, you definitely get that chickeny
Right.
taste that you put on
Right.
on the first go round.
Right.
So that's good. I think it definitely soaked it in.
Okay.
So I think,
Maybe just a little more seasoning on the outside.
yeah, I think you could use a little bit more of the red hot.
Or you could do a barbecue one,
Mm-hmm.
and or you could use a dip. Let's see what this is all about.
I like the inside though and the texture of it.
Mm-hmm.
The texture is really nice.
Yeah.
I just got a nice flavor pocket.
Okay.
I think there's a lot of potential there.
Yeah.
I think I would want the batter to be a little bit less breadcrumby.
Right. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
You know, maybe a little bit more flour, less breadcrumbs. I don't know.
Right.
But the taste is pretty good.
Yeah. Maybe even mix in the liquid Red Hot instead of the powdered Red Hot.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Give it a little more flavor.
I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not a total turd.
Not at all.
All right, there you have it. I hope you guys experiment a little bit. Maybe you come up with something. Leave it in the comments. We'd love to know if you've improved on our experiment. Subscribe for more Veganuary.
I'm sorry, the inside is really nice.
All right then. I guess we do have a winner. All right, subscribe for more and give it a like. Till next time, much love.